Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and today I'm gonna tell you how you can learn Linux from basics to master level with practical. So first what you will do is you will come to this website over the wire and you will open the Bandit games, and it would work on any system, any laptop you have or anything. Like, I'll also give video of Android and iOS setup for this. uh, in next video I'll give that. And for now, like, it works on SSH. If you don't know what SSH is, either google it, or it's a secure shell. It is a better version of telnet, just so you know. Like, okay, google it. I don't know how to explain, it's too long. And so you have to come at this. You can even donate them. Basically, it's a person who have hosted it, it, so you can donate them. But let's continue with the game. So bandit, and then there are level by level. And for the first level, it will, let's go to level 0, and you can see it has secure shell setup. And to control the secure shell, like to connect to this SSH, the command is SSH space the username, that is bandit 0 for the level 0, and the host name. So SSH space bandit 0 at the rate bandit dot labs dot over the wire dot org. And for the port we have minus p, and the port number is 2220 and you can see it will start a connection. You can see this is over the wire game server, and the password here is bandit 0. But how the game works is, it will give you, for example, I am in level 3, and the password for level 4 is in level 3. Let me give an example. There is a readme file. Let's move to the next level. You can see the password for the next level is stored in a file called readme, and you can see there is a file name readme. So we'll do cat readme, and you can see the password you are looking for is in it is a password for the next level, that is level 1 to 2. And we will again connect to the bandit 1 at the rate bandit dot labs dot over the wire dot org, the same port, and the password was the previous level password. My bad. Okay, let's copy and paste. And now you can see it has started, and now you will see there's a file. And moving to the next level, you can see the password for the next level is stored in a file called uh, dash, located in the home directory. And by this you will do complete 33 levels, and I guarantee it, like, you will learn Linux, how to navigate perfectly in Linux, how to compress, decompress with the bandit game. And there are many more games like this on over the wire, and you can complete it if you want. But all right, I think that's it for the video. Is there anything? Yeah, for next video I'll upload how to do it on Android or iOS, both. uh, yeah, okay. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you.